Welcome to 70 St. Patrick's, a cozy project developed by UOL. Completed in 2017, this freehold development consists of 9 low-rise blocks with 186 homes in total. Today, I'll be taking you to a ground floor 2-bedroom unit with a pool view. This 732 square feet seriously packs a punch. When I first saw this place, I felt like I was visiting a show flat due to the extent of design put in to maximize the enjoyment of living here. As you enter the space, you may miss spotting the storage solutions built into the home to make it functional for daily use. They are cleverly concealed but definitely useful to keep clutter at bay. On the left, you are greeted with a compact glass enclosed kitchen overlooking your dining table and living room. There is also a built-in bar counter which extends to the TV console. A uniform choice of illuminated alabaster acts as the living room's centerpiece. Thanks to the high ceiling, the common bedroom houses a loft bed and a walk-in wardrobe right below, effectively maximizing the space of the home. In the master bedroom, the color palette adopted is a cool dark tone for a conducive and restful environment. A quiet reading nook is also constructed by the window. There is direct access to the patio which leads to the living room. All windows face the same direction and the unit enjoys true north-south orientation, ensuring good airflow within the space. This patio is a great vantage point for the 50-meter lap pool, which is a welcoming, cooling sight when having a meal or working outdoors. The owner has also thoughtfully created a green wall in the patio to further beautify the space. You have direct access to the facilities from the patio too. Finally, the bathroom is naturally ventilated and accessible from both the walkway and the master bedroom. Overall, this makes a great bachelor pad. It would also be great for couples or even a young family. Now let's move on to the key selling point that makes it a worthwhile purchase. You very rarely find a freehold project so close to an MRT station. This home has a side gate that opens to the entrance of Marine Terrace MRT of the Thomson East Coast Line. There is going to be an underground mall which connects this train station to Parkway Parade Shopping Mall and Marine Parade MRT station, providing weatherproof retail therapy for people living here. There are also 3 great primary schools within 1 kilometer: Tao Nan School, CHIJ Katong Primary and Ngee Ann Primary. Residents will enjoy priority to these great schools. We have come to the end of the home tour. I hope I provided you some insights for you to ponder about. Please hit me up if you like what you see. My name is Michelle from OrangeTee AAG Division. Hope to see you soon.